easy to handle the materials. If more children also you can't. Okay, this is minimum children you can take. 35 maximum, sorry. Maximum you can take 35, not more than that for one set of materials. If you want to create another environment, you can purchase another set of material and you can take some more children also. Again, if you, yeah, it's too expensive. If you go for a proper Montessori material, but it gives long life, but materials are expensive because it's simply they have not done something. It has proper what measurement, whatever the reasons behind that, why are you using this, why we have to hold this, everything we have a scientific reason. Okay, so all this you can take. Okay, so now when it comes, I told 3 adults, 35 children, I told 3 adults or 4 adults, it's up to the school. Okay, so in pure Montessori what happens, if I am the adult, she is the adult, she is the adult. Okay, 2.5 to 3.5, in our school we have 12 students. Okay, so this year you just think like that. So this year 2.5 to 3.5 we have 12 students. 4 will go to her, 4 will come to me, 4 will go to her. Okay, again 3.5 to 4.5, again 12 students, we are going to divide. 4 for her, 4 for me and 4 for her. Again 4.5 to 6 years, again we are going to divide the children. Okay, we are going to divide the children. If you divide like this, maybe you are given presentation to this children, they are doing. So you can concentrate on them. Okay, one will be doing 2.5 to 3.5, it will be little less. Okay, they'll be repeating this EPL and few sensorial and all those things. So you can concentrate on them. Okay. Again, you may ask, because these are the general questions what they'll ask. Ma'am, in Montessori method, everyone will be under one age group, one group, and if they go to first standard, it is difficult for them to adjust with that environment or traditional method of environment. So for that, what do we do? Actually, maybe I have 35 children in my school. So this year, almost 6 to 8 students are going out for first standard. Okay, next academic year, June. Okay, they will go to first standard to some other different schools. They won't go to same school, right? So what I'll do now in my school is, from October, I'll start training them separately. They'll do along with these children, they'll do all the work, they'll learn everything. Again, what I'll do, maybe till 12 o'clock they may do this Montessori work. From 12:30 to 2 o'clock, I'll make them to sit in a classroom. I'll prepare one classroom environment with a board, chalk, books. We need to prepare, right? So even the child has to go to that other school and he has to get adjusted to that. So we'll prepare the child for that also. We'll do here also, again we'll go there, we'll spend there almost 2 hours. We'll write whatever copying or whatever you want to give him, you can teach him there.
After 4.5 years, the child will not hold the pencil.
No, he holds. Yeah.
But as per Montessori, we take.
We don't force the child to write. See, again we don't force the child to mug up something. See what happens in traditional method? You are going to teach A, B, C, D, everything. Again BAT, BAT, MAT, MAT. But we teach through phonics, right? Okay. Again we have many materials. When you start a language, you come to know we have many materials. The child starts writing without his writing instrument. We have movable alphabet box. Okay. That means the child recognizes the shapes of the alphabet sounds through the sounds. We say A. Once we say A, the child should say A. Okay? When you say P, the child should show P, M. So when you start with sandpaper, the child traces but says sounds. Actually, what we do, A, B, C, D, we teach, but the child learns everything through sounds. Okay, so once the child knows all the sounds, we have a small cutouts of alphabet. Okay, now I'll ask the child which is the first sound in mat. So I'll ask him to show me in the alphabet box. The child gives me that. That means the child is already writing without a writing instrument. What do we do? First, everything the child has to by heart. If the child forgets, in which we know, even, that's what I told Montessori, you can even follow for higher classes also, when it comes to language. Right? See, how do you teach this cup? You just think, first or second standard child. Cup. So what, so many schools they say CUP cup. Even reading, while reading, because I've attended so many workshops, so if you ask the teachers to read this, they'll read CUP cup. No, go up. Go. No, even for the by heart. Go up, go. No, see, one word, in our school only they are given one word, it's a big word to the children. Okay, accidentally, correct. Okay. Okay, so the teacher has written like this. Now the child has to write ACCIDENTLY, ACCIDENTLY. If the child forgets to write one C here or one E here, then wrong, one mark gone. After coming from the school, mother starts. Thank you so much. Why you are written wrong? But while teaching, as a teacher, As a mother, you can teach, no? Axi, A-C-C-I, Axi, T-N-T, tent, L-Y, Lee, Axi, A-C-C-I, accident, D-A-N-T, dent, Lee, L-Y, Lee, no? If you teach like this, automatically the child learns. Right? So we are not doing that. No? That's why our Indian system of education is like this. Still we are facing so many problems that even why, see, as a teachers you are very good in English and all those things, you do everything nicely, but if your management asks you to prepare any notice or some circular, maybe you are very much confident, but after typing again you will show to somebody else. You just see here, is this correct or what? Right? Why we don't have that much confidence in it? Why is that so? Because English is our not language, our language, and we have many complications in English and all those things, right? So because of that language nowadays, wherever you go, they say, do you know phonics? Phonics is must in all the schools. Now they have come to know. Okay, even Montessori method also, wherever you go, one Montessori room will be there. Okay, so one of my, even I am running this training center, okay, in my place. So there we had a girl, just she had passed 10th standard, Kannada, only she knows Kannada, she can understand English, her handwriting was too good, her creativity is too good and all those things is too good, but she can't express in English. She can understand, but she can't. So, but she attended all the Montessori classes. She know how to handle these equipments and all. So she went to one school. It's a small, not a small school. It's a CBSE school, but not so popular and it has so good name. So she went there and she appointed there and you believe it or not, all are trained, but nobody knows about Montessori. Only one she knows. Now she is handling first, second also. Even they are sending, after seeing her work, after she explained all those things, now they started sending first, second children also to the Montessori. Right? So, first we need to learn to express, right? So, if we don't know, if we don't follow the phonics, then our expressions, our pronunciation will be different from others. Right? That's what I told. Why he didn't write in UKG?
No, they don't have the custom of writing. Only they write only by everything oral. Only oral.
In UKG. Only in first and then right. Which method they follow?
I don't know. Actually, he was in New York. They don't write it. And after that, first standard we say it's very good.
See, even I don't agree with this bureaucracies or kidsy and all those things. See, this is universal method of teaching. Traditional method what we are teaching, that's our Indian system of education. So you need to follow any one method. So what they'll do, just they'll mix up everything. Ultimately the child will not achieve anything. That should not happen. Till UKG, no, till 4.5 years, we don't force the child, but we prepare the child. I'm not telling in Montessori, they say, ma'am, why do you don't agree, you don't allow the child to write, ma'am, then how will he write when he goes to first standard? I'm telling, we are not allowing, we are not forcing the child to write, but we are preparing the child to hold the writing instrument. We are preparing the child to recognize the symbols or whatever the alphabet numbers you say. The child knows everything. Automatically it is registered in his visual sense. We have many senses. When it comes to sensorial, your motor skills. This is your motor memory. Now you tell me, every day we prepare chapati, no? What is the shape of the chapati? Circle. So, At least you prepare 10 chapatis when you're preparing. So all the 10 chapatis will be in a circular shape. Most of them. Almost in that shape. I'm not telling, it won't be in triangle or square or something. I'm not telling exact. But it is in circular shape. It's a circle only. Somewhere we may press more and it goes like that. That is it. But, but while doing 10 chapatis, do you think I have to do in circular shape? This I have to do in circular shape? Automatically when you take the dough and when you start pressing, it comes in circular shape. Or the oval shape or whatever the shape you prepare. Why is that so? It is stored in your motor memory.
Just like cycling.
Yeah, see, each and every time we don't think of that. Automatically we do that. Why is that so? See, as soon as I see red, I'll say this is red. Why is it is registered in my visual memory? We have many memories. Right? See, I'll tell you, you will be very good in tasting. Okay, if you give anything to them, maybe you will prepare something, they will give your husband. So, maybe example pulao. When you prepare pulao, you will put dhania and chili and some spicy, all those ingredients. Your husband can find out even if one ingredient is more or missing. How can it be possible? But for you, it doesn't make a difference. But you are like that. You put this, I think, little more. I think this is little less today. Only few are able to tell that. Why is that so? They are very much sensitive in taste. In smell, maybe yesterday's sambar we have kept. We think, hey, no, it's good only. It's not spoiled, good only. But some other member in the family, no, it's not. Already it has gone. Right. Why is that so? Because they are very much sensitive towards that. Even if you take colors. Okay, colors if you take, as soon as see, na, if we have little difference, na, this is thing. Which color is this? It comes in blue or green. But you are very good in that. As soon as they see, they'll say yes. This is this color. Okay, maybe 2 years back, maybe I visited some of your friends' house. Today again you have to go. Again you search, no? Last year, where did I go? I forgot. But you, after 10 years also, they are able to tell the address properly. If you take to that area, directly they will take to that place. Right? Again, children also, they will direct the address. How to go to your house? Uncle, come and take you. I know how to go. Come and take you, uncle. They will guide you. Right? Why is that so?
Their memory is very sharp. They have very sharp memory.
They are trained like that. Their senses are very sharp than others. So, this is what sensoriness says. Whatever the senses they have, we have to make it sensitive. So that, see, maybe today you are going to put a seed. Tomorrow you can't expect fruits and flowers from that. When that fruit and flowers will come, when the plant grows to tree and it takes time. So you just think, that's what morning I told, we are the pillars. But we can't expect immediately. Once it goes from ant, it starts, right? In the same way, our children will utilize this when they start exactly studying those things. But here they are going to learn the basics. Even language also. Language immediately they can't. If you teach them like this, when they go to higher classes, they are able to write on their own. Other children, creative writing. Just go and see a CBSE. Okay, 100 marks exam means only 20-25 marks literature. Other 75 marks only about creative writing. You have to write the bio sketch of this person, letter writing. All those things will be there. Right? So, we are preparing the child for his future, not for tomorrow or not for today. Okay? Just keep it in mind. If you prepare him thoroughly, if you prepare him properly, then it will be very easy for him in his higher classes even to lead his life. The society, if you want to live properly, no, he needs to learn, he needs guidance here in this age. Right? So, all these things we are going to teach. Okay? So, here, you are here, no? So, 35 children, 3 adults, we are going to bifurcate like this. Maybe this year my 4 children are going to first standard. So, new admissions will come, no? 2 and up, they'll join. Okay? If they follow pure Montessori, this is the way we follow. But nowadays they are using the materials, it's integrated one. Morning they'll attend the traditional method, afternoon they'll come to Montessori. So it is happening. So in all the schools it is happening. Okay? So, but when we start one by one, this is the first class. Okay, one by one till March we have classes. Then you'll understand, yes, I can teach, or else you just start inculcating these methods in your traditional way of teaching. I'm not telling if you don't have Montessori environment and don't use this, no. Even in your traditional way of teaching, even to your own children, even to your own family, you can start. Right? Yeah. Two and up, we don't allow the child to write.
He's asking writing is a motor skills development, it comes under motor
No. See here, it's a motor skill development only. But what happens, until the tissues are developed properly, if you give while, your handwriting will be very horrible. So don't force the child. See, the tissues are not developed, but you are giving writing instruments. So before that, you need to prepare your child for this, right? So we have many materials. Maybe cinder blocks we have. So there the child uses these 3 fingers to hold that knob. When he holds it properly, these tissues will develop. Okay? Later on, when the child is around 4.5 years, you can give, maybe 4 years, you can give thick crayons. He needs to hold. Directly you can't give these pencils. They'll give crayons, but the crayon should be little thick. Then you can give little thin crayons, then comes pencil.
I heard in Montessori they give crayons and they ask the children to scribble for someone.
They have to scribble. Because you have done art and craft. There's a one was taken art and craft, right? Tearing. We did collage work, right? So when you are doing collage work, I've seen so many teachers nicely they'll tear the pages or they'll cut and give to the children. Why are we doing that tearing activity? Again, we'll do that ball, no? How do we do that? If you tear, the child can confidently can do that. So that these issues will develop. Fine motor skills. We say it is a fine motor skills. Yeah, fine, small movements. Fine motor means small movements. Gross means big. And so that comes in your physical, this one when they do, so the mom will take that. Okay, so, no, just I was talking about gross motor skills. So, okay, so fine motor skills, you need to prepare the child. So, give lots of tearing. So, give newspaper, ask the child to make it small pieces. That is also an activity. See, whatever you are doing art and craft, now you relate that here. It's not like that. The child file should look very pretty, beautiful. Everyone should say, see her class, how nicely she has maintained the file. Everything is there. I'm not telling you don't do that. Before that, so you just, you start doing your art and craft, right? One by one, one by one, one by one. The thinking while doing it. If we do this, what is the benefit the child is going to get? No, each and everything you need to think and do. Okay, tearing also, the collage work, you give to the children, let them tear. Or those who are handling nursery, just bring newspaper and give to them. Let them sit and tear. You can paint with your finger. That also gives more confidence. The child does within that boundary. He learns to move his fingers within the boundary. He gets confident also. Even when if you give a box, give some papers, ask them to tear and make it ball. Ask them to, you don't know. Seen in many schools, teachers will prepare everything. That is child's fight. No, you give to the children, let them do ball so that their tissues will develop. See, why they have to do physical exercises and all? Because for gross motor skills. We need to develop that skills. Even concentration develops when you give tearing the paper. It comes even in EPL. That's what I am telling. When you give children nicely, they will sit, they will concentrate only on that. When you give big crayons and when you say to the child, you have to circle within the, color within that circle, the child always sits and concentrates only on this. Okay. When he concentrates in, maybe the child is around 2.5 years, you are given this activity, the child concentrates only on this for 5 to 10 minutes. When he comes to LKG, you are teaching him rhymes. Now the child is able to concentrate on your rhymes for 10 minutes. Otherwise, when there is no concentration, gone. You can't teach anything. Right? So, when the child comes in LKG, what we are teaching rhymes, the child is doing here, is not repeating, again will go, will feed the child, will again. Instead of that, why can't you prepare the child before itself? No? In LKG, the child is able to concentrate for 10 minutes. When it comes to UKG, he needs to write sentences. He'll concentrate for 15 to 20 or half an hour. Again, this concentration level goes up. Because children's concentration span is very less. You can't hold the children more than 5 minutes to one activity. You can't hold them. The concentration span will divert. So we have to prepare the child. That is the basic you are going to teach. So each and everything, maybe the simply the child is sitting, give some activity, let him scribble. First you give him, let him scribble the whole page. Okay? Then you give some shape, let him scribble within that shape. Then you ask him to draw on his own. Again you ask him to scribble in that. No, you give lots of activities, but in Montessori method we have few materials. Okay, we are going to hold only with these 3 fingers. Indirectly you are preparing the child to hold the writing instruments. Whatever the instruments, we need to hold with these 3 fingers. Right? You need to prepare the child. Until and unless, that's what we, as a teachers also, we are not able to achieve 100% result. Because we don't know how to handle the children. If you can speak to the parents also, if the child is weak like that, why can't you call the parents and talk to them? Give more activities at home also. Okay? Everything you can teach. Okay? This is the basic things. Yes. So scribbling first. So when the child is able to write, when the child is able to hold the pencil, and once if you think, yes, if tissues are developed, then you can give writing instruments. Even in Montessori method, first we'll give, because we have shapes and all those things, the child traces that, again he starts scribbling that, then he writes on his own. Okay? If the child is not able to get that shape, as she told, we'll start the strokes and all, yes, it is there. We have to. But few children, what happens, already they are seeing, from 2.5 they start working with sandpaper letters. It is already registered in the visual memory. We say visual memory, motor memory, shape also. Okay, once it traces with the sandpaper, it's going to register. even in visual memory is registered. Again we have lots of materials so that every day the child sees those materials. Then once if you say write act, the child is able to write that. Because it is there in his motor memory as well as in his visual memory, just he has to put it in the writing paper. Got it? Yeah. Any doubts? Maybe around 4.5. 4.5. Nowadays, again I am telling you, Dr. Maria Montessori, she told don't force the child until and unless he writes on his own. Okay, but nowadays if you go to any Montessori schools, they are giving writing right from 3.5 years. If you ask why, they are telling parents are demanding. Parents are demanding. Already they developed now by seeing great seniors. That improvement already they are doing with the activities. Yeah, only with these now we have many in that. Okay, see what we have in Montessori, you don't even teach 25% of that in your textbook method. See, I tell you what happens to 2.5-year-old child. All 2.5-year-old children, 10 children are there in your school, in your classroom. So now everyone they know their mother tongue. Only you are there, you have to make them speak in English. Only you are speaking, it's very difficult for them to get. Again you have to adjust for them, all those things. Here what happens, this child sees everyone, he'll get that. See, they are also doing even activity.
And these groups only divided into Montessori 1 to 1.
They 2.5 to 3.5 will be in month 1, 3.5 to 4.5 will be with month 2. Again I'll tell you why it should not happen, because I had gone to one school for the workshop, to take the workshop. I asked them the materials. Okay, so one noise boxes, we have 2 sets of materials with 2 different colors. Okay, we have a reason why all those things. When we do, you'll understand. Okay, I asked them what are the materials. They told noise boxes. Give me a noise box. One lady, she brought one set of she gave another set. The month 3 teacher is handling that, so she has to come on, which has not yet come. Then I asked them, what is the use of keeping? Right? See, just yeah, because they have to pair them. Same sounds. Okay, pairing activity. See, if you have only one set, you can do grading. Okay, from loud to noise, you can do grading. But if you want to pair, if the child wants to recognize the same sounds, you need to have 2. Correct. See, you'll be having bells. Small bell will make a little sound. So if the size increases, the noise will also increases. Okay. So if you want to pair which 2 bells are making similar sound, you need to have 2. Only with one, how can you do that? Then what is the use of keeping that material? One set, month 2 the other set. Again, what is the use? That's what I am telling. You are getting the certificate, you should know that Montessori method properly. Okay, see, whenever you get the time, go to the net, you search for the books and read. The Montessori method itself is one book is there, the first book written by Dr. Maria Montessori. Okay, you are making the child independent. Once you start with that, you will come to know. Or else, ma'am will allow you to, maybe at the end of your academic or in the month of Jan or Feb, you are going to visit the school also, Montessori school. So that time you can see. You can see how they work. Small children, how nicely they work with those materials. It's really a wonderful method. Because we don't have knowledge about that. Again, if you do month 1, month 2, month 3, it is of no use. Maybe they'll get that working with the materials because you need to create that such environment also. Maybe my 4.5-year child is speaking about something, okay, then 6-year-old child can correct him. Right? Again, maybe my 3.5-year-old child, he is doing some activity. Instead of me, I can tell my 6-year-old child to sit along with him and make him to do that activity. Yeah, he'll get repetition and he'll come to know how to help others. This is how you just say maybe your first, second standard child, he'll take care of your younger one, maybe he's in LKG. If you try in your elder one like in the manner, so he can take care of your younger one, he can make him to write, he can teach some rhymes. Everything is in our hand, no? Because so many will tell, no, my elder one is so good, nicely she'll take care of her younger one. Why is that so? Right? So we need to in all the way you can prepare if you provide such an environment. Or else nowadays wherever you go, Mont 1, Mont 2, Mont 3, even we are adjusted to do that. But we don't agree. As a pure Montessorians, we don't agree for all these things. Even we don't agree, maybe you are going to narrate the stories or rhymes. Okay, I don't know. But as a Montessorians, we don't agree for Baba Black Sheep Ivy anymore. That sheep talks to you. If you ask how many bags of wool do you have to any sheep, you are teaching that, okay, all those rhymes you are teaching. Maybe one fine day the child finds a sheep and he goes in that. Baba Black Sheep, how many words do you have? Then what the sheep says? Da da da. I don't know, maybe rhymes were teaching from the long time, so I'm not doing anything here, but just I wanted to say this. See again, stories also. Crow said this. We teach rhymes, but not these. The rhyme should give positive to the child, not negative. False information you should not give to the child. Okay? Instead of Baba Black Sheep. Yeah. See, my red balloon goes high, so high as balloons goes. Okay? Even I want to fly, but can't go. Even we can't fly. Okay, again my blue balloon, you teach like that. Okay? Postman आया, चिट्ठी लाया, कितने चिट्ठी लाया? Because postman will bring the letters. Okay? So धोबी आया, कपड़ा लाया, कपड़ा साफ. So many rhymes. Because if you go and visit some schools, they'll keep only these type of rhymes and they'll make their own book. Because one is there in Sarjapur Road, Prakriya Green Wisdom School. Have you heard? In Sarjapur Road, we have Prakriya Green Wisdom School. My daughter, when she was in pre-KG, she used to go there. If you are in Kormangla, so she used to go there. So they are given a book. Now, we want a colorful rhymes group. We'll select and we'll give to the children. So just that written in the hand, pictures also they are written, and just that xerox. Even today, we have that book. So all these types of rhymes. Okay, but they select like these types of rhymes. It gives information to the child. Even when narrating the story, always we always think children. I don't know. We underestimate the children. If you feel, because we always say false stories. Okay, the fox asked the crow. Okay, why can't you see? That will not happen. Never it happens. So instead of that, maybe August 15th is the Independence Day. You are going to celebrate it. So you just take Gandhiji photo. You just tell few things about him. What is Gandhiji? What he did. So you just think, you create a small story. No need to memorize. Small story about Gandhiji you say. Why do we celebrate Lakshmi Puja? You just say that maybe in the month of December or January they'll put polio drops. Again children will come with the mall. What happened to your finger? Who did this? Who put this mark? Where did you go yesterday? What they did? Then tell, no? Who will drop, they'll put something, they'll tell. You just tell a story. You don't know some videos or pictures. If you don't take polio drugs, what's going to happen? Show them. No? I'm not telling you can't do so. All these stories, okay? So it's going to register in their mind. Maybe if they see anybody walking with handicap, they'll say, Mummy has not taken polio drug. That's right. My mom told. It will register in their memory. That's a truth. That's a real fact. Simply we say that clever capsule or something. I don't know. Instead of that, we just, because we say, no, sheep told this, or hare and the tortoise. So you just show how the tortoise will be, how the tortoise walks. They never did the competition. Simply somebody told that, just blindly we are following. I'm not telling, don't say the stories or rhymes. Okay, just see. Okay, instead of those which gives false and negative information, don't take those kinds. Because so many schools they are not taking those kinds. Okay, that's why I am telling you, I told Prakriya Agricultural School, they are charging more than 1.5 lakh per year. But they are not providing any books. They are giving all these things. Okay, again in JP Nagar we have one school, St. Paul School. My brother-in-law's grandson is going. So he admitted for pre-nursery last year. They told don't teach ABCD at home. Then his mother came and they are telling not to teach anything. What to teach? I told don't teach anything. Maybe they are following some different method. Why do you disturb the child? They are teaching phonics. At home if you teach ABCD, then the child will be totally confused. Good, no? You are paying more than 1 lakh and they are telling not to teach anything, it's good. Because they want particular type of method of teaching. But what do? We mix up everything. No? So if you follow, that's why language, once we start with the language, you'll agree with me. Okay? So even rhymes and stories is also for your language development. The child says that rhymes, when the child says my red balloon, you'll come to know the color of balloon and the shape of balloon, flies high, he knows balloon if he leaves, it flies high, so high, so high. When we can't fly, all those things the child comes to know. You explain, yes, show them with the thing. No? Instead of that simply blah blah, she simply will do. Have you anyone? Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full. The sheep can give you 3 bags full of wool. I don't know how many will agree with me or not. But this is the fact. Yeah. You can write your own rhymes. If you want, in that case, you can write your own rhymes. Because Roots Montessori, because this side I don't know, but if you come to Bangalore South towards I area, we have many pure Montessori schools. They will write rhymes on their own. Okay, maybe if it is 10 or 15 rhymes, it's more than enough. So they have their own rhymes book. They don't follow all these other books. Okay, even we do teach this craft, art, rhyme, story, everything we teach in Montessori method also, but little different. Yeah, real things. See, you can know, dancing is not hard at all. No, we have one rhyme like that. Boxing is not hard. Someone box with me. Something dancing. That only you just change it. You show this. Yes, you can do this. You can dance. You can sing. Yeah, reality. Just make the child to accept the reality. Yes, this is reality. Yes. Don't say. You will say, no, maybe mother is out of a child's sight. Where is mama? She's in bathroom. She's cooking. Still, we need few items for home. So she has gone to bring from the market. Okay, you can't go. You have to walk very long. So you can't walk, no. So again, Mama has to carry luggages. She has gone there. She'll come. Maybe one day he'll cry, 2 days he'll cry. Then he'll accept. Can you see? After coming, see, I brought these 2 bags. If you come along with me, even you have to carry like this. You just tell the truth. I'm not telling always it walks out. Okay, don't say, ma'am told, sometimes if you tell also the child says, see few areas where it is possible, you please try to make the child understand what is fact. Okay, simply then say something, I'll bring this for you. I'm going to the market, I'll bring you big chocolate. The child starts, yes, my mama will bring big chocolate, big chocolate, big chocolate. You don't bring. And if you bring small chocolate, again the child starts. You told no, you'll bring big chocolate, again for that he'll say, what is available, I'll get you. Okay, don't say negative or false to the child. Even the child starts telling. In front of child, if he says, Appan friend bandru, appa maneyavalge illa anta helbidu. No, this has happened with my brother-in-law, sir. One of my brother-in-law, no, my husband's cousin. He has done something, I don't know, family matters. He started hiding from everyone. So one day my husband directly went to his house and he asked his sister-in-law, where is he? He told, no, he went to Mysore, he's not there, something. Okay, again he went, he sat inside and daughter came. Uncle, you know, where is my father? Come and take him. She took him to first floor. She opened the door. He is sitting there. You can't hide anything from the children. Just observe. You tell something, no? Don't tell this, no? Once you start feeling that, maybe in-laws will be there at home. Don't tell, no, where we went. Don't tell what we ate. No, instead of that, you don't say anything to him. Okay, if anything, don't say anything to him. If you start saying that, one day it goes back to you only. Wherever he goes, he doesn't tell to you. When he becomes 16, 17 years, no, that age is very, no, that time what happens, wherever he goes, he starts hiding. Because we have trained him to say the lie. This is what happened. Again, don't pressurize the child for anything. Okay, the child is not learning today, give the child, tomorrow he will learn. So see to that he is learning. Don't force the child, whatever you say, today he has to learn, today he has to do. Okay, because of that, so many suicidal incidents. You have seen, why is that so? You just think all those things. Engineering student, medical student, in software engineer, a doctor, they lose their lives. Why? Because of the pressure. Why she told depression? The child went to depression. Instead of all are writing, okay, see, all are, even you have to write some encouragement, some motivation should be there. Everyone can't become doctors, everyone can't become engineers, everyone can't become scientists. Everyone, they have their level. Think that. See, because of that, you don't know, even 10-year-old children, they are attempting for suicide. That day, actually, I was watching TV when Guruji was telling, one lady called that Guruji, evening 5:30, I don't know, evening, she called that Guruji and started crying. Why? 10-year-old, only one son she had, he committed suicide. I don't know what is the reason. It's a real fact. I don't know. Because few days we pamper him too much. At this age we pamper him. Again when he grows, he expresses that only. That time we realize we should not pamper. Again we start avoiding something. That is also one problem. Again from this time only start neglecting the child. That is also, they'll go to depression. No? If you think all these things, why it is happening in the society? Because as a parents, even we need to think. No? These are the examples why See, Montessori method does not teach you to become a good teacher, you have to become a good human being also. Now, if you just, maybe if any incident happens in the society, you just start thinking why it is happening. Why it is happening like this. No? So, we have to prepare the child to accept the facts. This is what the life is. You have to accept it. The child has to accept it. When you start accepting, then these things will not happen. As you said, maybe engineering student, you just think how much parents have struggled to make him an engineering graduate. Obviously, they lose their life. You think of parents. All those things, because we need to prepare the child to face anything. Okay, to become independently, he can face the world. Nothing is impossible here. But even though all these things are happening. Okay, any doubts here? No. Okay, so here I told we have materials. We give everything through presentations. Okay, so everything through presentations. Presentation in the sense, maybe few activities will be individual, for only one child we teach. Few activities will be for group, small group. Few activities will be for a big group. Okay, even if you take Whitefield MVJ schools, they are also following pure Montessori. In the integration of that and this. Actually, last Saturday, actually I took workshop for them. Actually, we were attending this art and craft maybe here. So in that room we had a workshop. Okay, so many schools. Okay, nicely, properly they follow. Okay, so here everything you are going to give through a presentations. Okay, this is your Montessori record, right? In your list of records, you need to write Montessori observation book, right? So this is nothing but how do we give the presentations. Few areas I will help you how to write the presentations. Okay, you need to write step by step so that it will be easy for you when you start working with the children in Montessori method. Or else if your school is not following, from now onwards you can ask them to start with Montessori method also. Okay, so first is invitation. Okay, invitation in the sense, okay, it is customary for the adult to invite the child for any presentation, thus giving the child the freedom to accept or refuse. Okay, you need to give an attractive invitation. Maybe today I want to teach how to roll a mat. Okay, invitation is nothing but today shall we see how to roll a mat? Okay, with politeness. So your voice, everything should be, today shall we see how to roll a mat, today shall we see how to sit on a chair, today shall we see how to work this in the blocks. You know this now, today shall I show you the another way of working with that. See, however you want, you can give the invitation. Okay, that is, because invitation, what happens when you give invitation or when you ask the child. Okay, today shall we learn this or that? When I ask your suggestion, when I give an invitation to you, then you'll accept me. Yes, ma'am is asking us. Okay, let us learn it. Okay, so now the child feels, yes, ma'am is giving me importance. She is asking me, yes, we'll learn. Okay, so for any presentation, whatever the area, first invitation in the sense, not to write in paper and give to the child, just, okay, so next is preparation. Okay, preparation is, if you want to do rolling mat, okay, what do you need? You need a mat. To roll a mat, you need a mat. Again, you need enough place. So you need to prepare that. Okay, that is called preparation. Before giving anything, you need to prepare, right? So that is called preparation. Again, see, maybe I'll take one example of how to roll a mat. Okay, so I'll just give the invitation. Today, shall we see how to roll a mat? You say, yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll prepare everything, I'll bring the mat. Okay, then statement. Okay, after preparation, statement. Okay, So what happens is statements, the child has come here, everything is ready. Now I have to get the attention span of the child. See how I am going to roll? Now the child is here. Child is concentrating on this particular area. So statement. See how I am going to do. Or whatever. See how I will do that. See how I am rolling. Whatever you want you can say. Okay, that is statement. Yeah, that's what I am going to see how I am going to roll a mat. Okay, that is my statement. Okay, next demonstration. Demonstration. Okay, in demonstration, you are going to teach the child how you are going to do that. Okay, that will do it. Okay, afterwards we'll do that. Okay. Yeah. Maths. Montessori, what happens? Few things we have to do on mat. See, if you want to do this cinder blocks, what are the materials we have? So we have to do it on a floor level. Okay. To tracing, whatever the tracing activity, we need to keep it on chowkis. Okay, this is called chowki. Okay, we'll keep it on chowki. So when I trace, so my shoulder level should be equal to this. I can't bend and trace. Right? So we have a scientific reasons. Again, if you want to do some group activity, maybe phonics or we'll come to know about activities, that time you have to sit on a sitting mat. If individually when they are sitting, they have to sit on a sitting mat. When they are working with those things, they have to sit on a walk mat. Even if they want to walk on chowki, they have to bring chowkis. Again, they learn how to keep it back. Okay, we have reasons for everything. Okay, demonstration. Yeah.
Right.
Demonstration I'll show you, ma. Okay, I'll show you how to. Demonstration means how to work, how to use the material.
Writing time we should sit on sitting mat or working mat?
Sitting mat and chowki.
Sitting mat.
Chowki means four.
Writing time is
Chowki means with four legs.
Yeah.
Little slant. That's called chowki.
ages
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that
yeah.
is touching
Okay. So demonstration means how to roll a mat. That I'll show you. Okay. So after this, ask a child to perform. Okay. Maybe you're going to demonstrate how to work with that. Immediately you have to ask the child to perform that. Okay. Ask a child to perform. Okay. Again, at last, you need to give a verbal summary. Okay. Verbal summary. Okay. Verbal summary means maybe I'll roll a mat. This is the way we roll a mat. Okay. That is my summary. Means the child will understand, yes, we have to follow this way only. Okay. This is the way we roll a mat. Next, winding up. Winding up. Okay, winding up means after using this material, it is the responsibility of the adult to keep it back, initial stage. Okay, when the child get adjusted, when the child knows the place of display, the child will keep it back. Okay, so he can't leave the materials here. Maybe this child is walking, you can't ask the another child to sit here and go there, you come and sit here, you can't say that. Okay, first let this child has to keep it back, then he can bring it back.
Kids follow all these things very nicely.
Yes, of course.
In our class we have taught them how to make a spin tower. So nicely they are following now like this. want the gift.
See, maybe we have that. As an adults, no, we can't accept. That's why we feel whether the child can do it, ma'am. Is it possible for the child to do it, ma'am? Obviously, yes. The child will nicely do. That's what I told. You just go to the net. Okay. Just type whatever, maybe Pinter she's telling. How to work with the Pinter. How the child work with the Pinter. Okay, so many videos will get. This Pinter, you believe it or not, in the other countries, even for 1 year old child can do the Pinter. 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗು 1 year child will do that Pinter. Pinter work because they have many materials, okay? I just am giving you the example. That's what I told, from the birth it is. Okay, you don't think the child can do this or do that. Ma'am, it will be more, no, you're teaching this method also, that method also. No. The child is capable of doing everything, but we can't accept that. We can't do that. What the child can do, if you think we can't do, because we just follow 1 year, 1.5 year child from morning till evening. Wherever he runs, wherever you goes, you just start going behind him. You can't do that. Winding up with keep it back, keeping it back. No, initially we have to show them themselves. See, initially you need to show how to keep it back. Then automatically the child keeps it back. So I'll tell you why keeping it back. What happens at home? Children, they play with the things. Again, mother starts. I told you, don't take all this. He'll say, don't take so many things at a time. I can't keep it back. Instead of that, you teach your child how to keep it back. That's what I told. That's what we are doing the mistake. We are showing that we are there for you everything. No? We always show that I'm there, no, I'll do it, you go. I'm there, no, you go. I'm there, no, I'm doing, you go. No, that's what, no? Maybe you are there. That's what I'm telling you. How long you will be there with the child? I don't know what's going to happen in life. The child has to face all the problems. We just see situations. How long your parents are there with you? Now they are there with you. You have to adjust to your environment, right? You have to adjust to your lifestyle. Why so many divorces, tell me? They can't adjust. Understanding now, they can't adjust, no? When they can't adjust, they'll go. Then there's a black mark in their life. Nothing, for silly reasons they'll take. Directly divorce, lawyer, police station. Family matters, for silly reasons, it's coming in the media. All day they'll sit. Nothing will be there. All day these media people also, they'll do all this. They want the news. So they'll sit. Whose life is falling? Right? That's why we are not allowing our children to adjust. We don't know. I don't know. Today I'm here. I don't know what happens to me. I have to reach home, no? Who will give guarantee for that? Who is guarantee for our life? Maybe today we have enough money. Tomorrow what's going to happen? Who knows that? Now she tells, you are there, no, you are there, no. Again after marriage also, you are there, no, come. No, she's just telling, I am there, but even I have lots of work to do. See, I have to cook for you, I have to cook for your father, I have to clean the kitchen. All these things you can't do, no? That you can keep it back, no? You can help me, no? So you're just starting in her way. Again, from today you start that. Which work is that?
Giving toys back in the...
No, you just ask her who played in the toys. You just ask who played. No, one day she'll cry because they want to escape from that situation. That's it. Crying is not from this one, just they want to escape. Children are really very talented. They are very much talented. Okay, why they are crying? Because they have to do the work. If she cries or if he cries, no, he will not tell him to do. You tell, you want to cry, you keep it back and then you cry. Yeah, that is really true.
Play manner also we can tell that how to play. Who will put it inside the
Yeah, see, there are many ways. There are many ways according to the child you have to react. That's what in the beginning I told. If you have 30 children in a class, all 30 are different ways.
Yeah, we can play and just use the same status for all the 30 kids, right?
Yeah, see, if you have 2 children, you have to act in 2 different ways. So, you have to prepare the child. See, maybe one day you are not well. Okay, maybe one day you are not well. Okay, don't go to that level. Okay, maybe after marriage, don't think all those things. Maybe one day you are not well. She has done all these things. You can't do that. Who will do that? If you are well or not well, what do? We get up and we do everything. If that is the situation, she has to understand. Yes, my mother is not well, so I have to keep it back. No, that is in our hand. That's what I told. We are not making our child independent. If you go to other countries, that there is a rule, parents should not make any property. If any property, government will take it back. After some certain age, they have to earn their money and they have to do their education.
After 13, I suppose 13 and 14 they work.
So when those children can do, why can't our children? I'm not telling you send them for work and all. Okay, little few things.
They want to do. They are providing tuition classes, earning money, and then
It's like, see, that's why other countries, they are well educated and the way of living and everything is better than us. If you go to villages in other countries, they are also really, everyone are educated and just see the environment of the house and all. If you go to any remote villages in our India, they don't take bath for 1 week. Yes, that's true. Because they lack of knowledge, lack of education.
sometimes I think there is no any poor people out of India.
Yeah, they feel.
Is there any poor people out of India or not?
Everyone will earn there. Everyone will earn. They don't think. Again, no, so many I've seen. Sunday, I have to get up at 7 o'clock. Yes, it is. No, now lack of water and all those things. No, I'm still talking about the.
Take bath up to evening because we sleep up to 1 o'clock now.
See, that is up to you because lack of knowledge. Even in our villages, they don't have that much of education. Right? So, that's what I'm telling. Everything is in our hand. So, we have to prepare our children for that. So, if you don't prepare and again you're telling, my daughter is telling like this, ma'am. Okay, now onwards you start. Okay, you just small things. Okay, when maybe you're doing chapatis or something, you ask them to keep plates, water. You just involve in your work. I'm not telling give all the responsibilities and make your child work and not against your children or something. Only you try to involve your work prepares your child to become a well human being also. In the society, even your child should become a good human being, right? You have to prepare. You have seen people, they can't mingle in the society. If 10 members are sitting in family members, one will be outside. You can't mingle because there's maybe some inferiority complex. No, why all these things? You always they think negative. Whatever they start thinking negative. Just think. one of my HOD, now she's not in school. So she was the only daughter. Okay, she had two daughters. Again, she had two daughters. One was in degree and another one was in high school. Okay, she told me, Pratima, you have only one daughter, no? So I think I give you suggestions. You need to have another one. Like, why, ma'am? Then she told, I'm the only daughter. So my parents had pampered me so much. I got married. If my sister-in-laws, if they talk to my husband, I'm not able to digest that. I'll fight for that. Herself she told. She's almost 45. I can't accept that. I can't digest if my own sister-in-laws, if they talk to their brothers. Because she has grown up alone. Okay, she used to get everything. She doesn't know how to share. Right? Then automatically now husband is talking to his own sisters. No, she is not able to tolerate that. Because even she thinks my husband belongs to me only.
My daughter is like she'll share everything with everybody, no issue. But only with me, I should not talk to anybody. I should not go with anybody. I'm only for her.
That's what. Why? Because she thinks. Yeah. My mother, if she talks to somebody, she loves somebody, then maybe it will less for me. Something she thinks. Something will be.
Sisters or two brothers are it will be the same. Like if it is two sisters, you tell Mama you are pampering to younger sister only, you are not ever pampering me.
See, that depends on this. See, why I'm telling you, we can't adjust. So adjustment should come from here. So when you have 35 children and one set of materials, now one child wants this, but that material is not available. The child will wait, will tell, ma'am, I want pink car. No, he is doing. No, let it finish. Afterwards you take. You have to wait. The child learns to wait for the turn.
And sharing also.
Sharing also. Patience. Right? See, all these things, why I am giving our own examples, we can understand in a better way. Okay, I am not taking to that extent, but we can understand in a better way when we take our own examples. Okay, that is why Maria Montessori, she thought of all these things. Okay, any doubts regarding this? No. Okay, we just write down. See, for each and everything, we have a direct aim and indirect aim. Okay, see, why I am presenting. You may ask, ma'am, simply why you are giving. See, when I am presenting this, I have some direct aims. This is what is going to happen when if I present this, if I give this. Indirectly, what the child is getting from it. Okay, so here, for each and everything we will go, okay, when we do that. But for EPL, only for EPL, we have only one direct aim and indirect aim. This is for all the activities. Okay, just write down the direct aim of the exercise of practical life. The direct aim of the exercise of practical life. Okay, first point in that. Okay. Before the first point, just write this. The direct aim is to help the child gain and grow in, help the child gain, GAIN, gain and grow in independence with regard to first point, the performance of elementary movements. ELEMENTARY. The performance of elementary movements. The performance of elementary movements. Second point, looking after is environment. Looking after is environment. 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 Third point, looking after himself. Look after himself. Fourth point, social relations. Social relations. Okay. Next, indirect aim of the exercise of practical life. Indirect aim of the exercise of practical life. Okay, the first indirect aim of exercise of practical life. The first indirect aim of EPL, you can write exercise of practical life, you can write it as EPL. To help the child consolidate and develop coordination of movements and thus THUS, thus lay a foundation for the integration of its personality. Lay a foundation for the integration of its personality. Integration of its personality. Of his personality. Okay, what happens when the child does that? Okay, see, an emotional enrichment. Okay, what happens when the child is doing emotionally, will be very much satisfied. Okay, I'll just read it, you can listen. Intelligent and willed, okay, activity which answers a developmental need is necessarily also love. The love felt for these activities by the child ensures that they play their role both in view of their utility and as a form of relaxation. The sense of fulfillment that it ensures proves to be stepping stone for further activities. Okay, when you achieve something now, it will be step for your further activities, right? Maybe if you will prepare one thing now. If they say yes, this is good, so again you start preparing new items, whatever. Okay, initially if nobody will say good to you, then what happens? So emotionally, okay, we should be fulfilled. Then you can achieve anything. Then it gives steps for your further activities. Okay, that is one. Emotional enrichment. Again, social revolutions. You start mingling with everyone. You start Then he thinks, yes, I can speak to him also, I can speak to him also. Everyone is saying good to me. Then that is also a positive consequence. Okay. Again, he'll become the awareness of the environment. As I told, he'll take care of oneself. As he told, buttoning, pressing frame, he can keep, fold the cloth himself. So when he is independent, then he thinks, yes, I can do it. Achievement. That gives fulfillment for him. Okay. He achieves, each time he thinks, yes, I achieved something. So when he does an activity, if he gets a good result, he feels, yes, I've done it. So that gives him more positive energy. Okay. Again, physical development also happens. Physical means not growing or something. So how to hold? Okay. Just take an example. Maybe we'll laugh also. Have you seen few ladies? They can't carry things properly. Whenever they are carrying, they'll spill something. Whenever they bring a glass of water, they'll bring, all the way they'll drop. Again they come with the glass to wipe it. Have you seen that? Why? Coordination, yes. Maybe that coordination is not there. We always think, she'll do like this. Always she'll do, always she'll spill the water. Can't you concentrate? Why are this? Here Bharat shout, but their coordination of movements, eye hand coordination, again how to hold the gripness, that will not be there. Okay, that's what I am telling. If the child, when you give an activity, if the child is not able to perform it properly in a manner, then maybe one time it is okay, two times it is okay, because EPL we are going to repeat it. Until and unless you repeat that, the child will not, because the child has a tendency to forget. So we need to social relation also. How to do namaste and teach. Maybe 1 month vacation and give during the winter. After coming from there, maybe the child has gone here, there, here, gone. Everyone has pampered him. Again he will come to you. Again he is a blank child. Again you need to recall that. No? All these things, repetition should be there. Again the child is not performing, then he has some problem. Have you seen some ladies? They start shaking. No, okay. If they are doing normal their work and their family members, it is okay. If somebody comes, no, if they want to prepare a tea also, they start shaking. Because their confidence level is too low. They can't face. They start saying, you, so many are come. Okay, now prepare. No, this is what happens in ladies. The same thing in the child also. The child loses his confidence in front of people. So you have to prepare. That's why public speaking is very much important in education system nowadays. CBSE has made a rule. So even you have to know what the CBSE expects from the children. Because so many schools are CBSE. So CCE, as soon as the child goes to first standard, group discussion. Central Board of Secondary Education.
Like she is saying in a class, if we will take children, we will encourage the student to come on the dais and
Tell the story. See what you can do, you just tell one story, okay? Small story. You start asking the questions. That is how we can improve that spoken language. Again, you ask them to come and repeat the same thing. So what you did, so maybe apple. You give apple to the child. Just make your child stand on this. Just let the child explain about apple. It's not like mugging up. Mugging up will never help
Even
you.
we can ask them to tell about the family, about themselves. Yeah.
Whatever it is, you need to encourage in all the way. That's why here, not only your EPS, sensory language, arithmetic in Montessori, your English, math and EVS in your professional method, you have to see all the areas, all-round development of the child. So, when we start doing all these things, automatically you'll agree with me. But, okay, all-round development of a child, not only in writing. Professional method, only writing. speaking, maybe the child is speaking very well, but as soon he comes on the stage,
Like my son. He's first in class, but still he is having stage fear.
see one of my child, no, UKG, even I'll handle UKG only, he's too good. I told you, no, mother is working in international school, his language is really very good. Father stays in Dubai. Okay, whatever he says, no, I was telling a story, it's a reflection, ma'am. How nicely told that word reflection. It's very difficult for the age children to say that. He knows the meaning of reflection. He knows everything, but if you allow him to dance somewhere there, nicely he'll dance on the stage. He's not able to participate in annual day function. Anything he is not doing. On the stage, nothing. Alone is very much good. But who will recognize when you are doing alone? See, maybe you are good in something. If you sit at home, who will recognize? You have come here. Now you are going to show your all those talents. Then I can say, yes, she is good in that. And next year also, we remember. Actually, when we are talking with Sadhaf, we remember last year students. Even I told you, they give me a lot because even I have franchisee. So whatever doubts I have, they used to send me email. See, they are like that. Everyone can't be like that. No? So that's why we need to bring in all the children. That is your, maybe this, she is good, they're talking. I no need to ask any questions, they'll talk. But few from the morning, they didn't open their mouth. So my duty is to make them speak. Right? So Montessori method helps in all these ways. Okay? So few, again, elementary movements we are telling, no? That is rolling, unrolling, how to carry, how to put down. So many things. We'll start from the next class. Okay? Again, you have so many, almost here. ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ದೋಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡಿ there is some problem, okay? Sit here afterwards. Sit with mama. Okay, so we have many things here. If you want, because you guys know, so almost here I have more than 200 activities. Okay, or EPL only. That's what I told you. It's up to you. Okay, whatever possible things you can keep it. Okay, from next class we'll start giving the presentations. Yeah, now to ask your doubts. Here we have another. Now we have time. If you have any doubts regarding this, because today it doesn't. Yeah. Elementary movements means how to hold, how to carry, how to put it down. Okay, all those comes in elementary movements. These are the base. Elementary means basic movements. Basic things we do every day. Okay, that comes in elementary movements.
And
okay?
only in EPL we have direct and indirect.
No,
In everything.
in everything we have, but EPL in a general. Okay, if we take sensorial, language and all, for each and every material we have direct and indirect. So each material purpose is different. So that time we will do that. Okay, EPL generally we have one direct and indirect. See here how to hold, okay, how to put down. Maybe in that you can use jets of various sizes and weight, with and without handles, glasses, cups, saucers, plates, thalies, lotas, okay, boxes, chairs, chowkis, tables, tiffin carriers, lunch boxes, parcels, whatever you feel. If you feel my child is not able to open the lunch box, have you seen children, they can't open. If they open also, they'll spill everything. They don't know how to close. These are the few things you need to teach. Maybe if you are handling nursery, 2.5 to 3.5.
They know someone that is
Yeah, easily. Okay, how to screw, unscrew, how to, maybe they'll bring different types of lunch boxes, maybe different types of lids will be there. You take one each day and show them how to close it, how to open it. Individually call them, whatever the box they'll bring, you show them how to open it without spilling. If you open like this, it doesn't spill. Otherwise you have seen every day, even in our school also it happens. Children, they doesn't know how to open that, how to keep that properly. Even you have to see in some classes, they don't know how to arrange the lunch bags properly. Here on lunch bag, there, everywhere they'll scatter it. It is up to you. You have to show them how to arrange. It's not like the telling, shouting. So please, those who are working, stop shouting. Tell them. Just convey the message. This is how we have to do. This is the way.
He's so stubborn.
You make him sit next to you. Be very strict, if possible, if necessity. Okay? Because I'll tell you.
Some children are there with the pamper also. They want
Me,
to
see,
have
I'll tell you.
everywhere pampering will
Not one. See what happened? One of the LKG child, almost 1.5 months over, still he was crying till last week. Okay, so I'm the in charge, so that is also a gone case if you become an in charge. So the teacher called me and she told, ma'am, see, it's not at all stopping what to do, it's disturbing everyone. That is what she will say, oh, means everyone will get disturbed. Automatically the other will start. Okay, so what to do, ma'am? Almost 1.5 months again he is trying what to do. Then I called him, Manege hogbeku. Come, I'll take you. Ha, Martini, take your bag and come with me. He came along with me. I took him till the gate and I told the security, he wants to go home. We are not providing any bus now this time. So he'll go by walk. You just see, let him go. He'll just open the door. Oh, go. Just I came. I from him. Again he saw 1 day, 2 days. I did like this. You go. You want to go? No, you go. How will you go? 10 kilometers, how can you walk and go? And then automatically he stopped. No, they have that fear, ma. They won't go. They will be having that fear.
Some children, they walk out of the
You tell that. That's what I told now. He was going. I told police. Security was standing. I told he's the police. You go.
At least there should be some fear.
Fear. See, you
Some
can.
children, no ma'am, they will take the first child and that boy has to pee to the other kid.
You make him to sit next to you.
To pee only. I have to hold
Make him separately. Make him separately.
If he separate, no, he is to throw the things on the children. The blocking or children, no ma'am. He has to be pee only for him.
Yeah, few days you have to do like that. Again, no, there he has to sit, no? There he not.
Why? What's the reason, right? He is not saying with me. Why she's not possible?
No, what you have to do, no? Make him sit separately, but don't provide him anything. Don't provide him anything. You should feel he is totally separated from the group.
Then only he's ready, why I am not being participating.
See, last year one child, he used to cry. I pampered him. 2 months I pampered. Even he never used to get up for the assembly, only crying. Amma beko, appa beko, crying. Then my assistant told, ma'am is crying, ma'am. I told, one day I told, don't go near him. Just come this side. Ignore it. So, one day we did, 2 days we did, I didn't even ask him to write. Puneet, if you want to write, you write, otherwise don't write. I'll give you a book here. If you want to write, you come and write, otherwise no. Go, you cry. Others are writing now, you should not distance. If you want to cry, go out and cry, or else voice should not come out. Strictly I told, I just started ignoring him and not giving any prominence to him. Then slowly he came into the book, he started writing. Next day he came to the assembly, all right.
And psychology also, ma'am. One more problem I could tell you. One thought, if I say the next boy is first, no, he is first, you are not listening, then you will, for everything, he wants to be first for everything. Not
Compare. That is what you are doing mistake.
If you want, say, I will give you a stop when you are eating food. And I will say that, look, he is eating properly, he is eating fast, make it fast.
No. No, what happens?
Creating Louis, I know.
So,
You are creating low
first thing when you compare, no, he feels jealous about the other children and he doesn't know how to express that jealousness. So he is having his own way of showing that he started. Okay, the one thing you stop comparing, so you make him separate from everyone. Okay, so you just tell him, see, I'll sit with you, if you eat nicely and show me. Okay, I'll give you stuff.
I'm not in that one. The circle time is there. Two children are sitting. I want to sit with ma'am.
So that first you should avoid that. Okay, if that is the case, you make him to sit with other children. No, you can't sit with me like this, nobody will sit. Okay, you have to sit there only. He is sitting now, you can't come here, you have to be little strict with them. Then they'll come to normal. Otherwise they know, if he does like that,
Just like that.
he will give prominence to him, no?
It's a special school, ma'am. We have all cameras, so parents can see us lively that he is rolling the pen.
No, you can talk to the parents, how he behaves at home. Again, because see, everything is our intelligence. So you can't directly, you can't punish the child or you can't be strict.
No punishment there.
No, your camera will be watching.
Punishment also.
No, your camera is watching you, so you can call the parents, first talk to the parents, how he behaves at home, is doing like this. So you also be little strict with him, I will also try with that. You just make a note your management also to the parents. Then nobody will ask you. That's what I told. You are not only a teacher, act like a mother, you should act like a doctor, you should act like a counselor, not only for children, even for the parents. You should be answerable to management, so you should have the answer. What I am doing is correct. Don't try to escape from your work.
Actually, you have to answer for that.
Don't try to escape from your work. Once if you start escaping now, some or the other way you will got it. So because whatever you are doing, you should have some reasons. I am doing this, yes, I have some reasons to do this. I am teaching this way, yes, I have my own reasons. My children are not able to understand in this way, so I have taken this way. So whatever you do, first you think, yes. Maybe he didn't like the environment.
Or
Okay.
he's already used to that 1 month, no, ma'am, so that
Maybe that is also.
that is also, yeah. Now for
No, maybe what happens, as I told, it's a single room.
And after teacher told me that in Bengali आपने कभी गोद से उसको नीचे नहीं रखा इसलिए आपको ऐसा हुआ था ऐसे आप कहीं भी आपका बेटा नहीं बैठ सकता
Yeah, that is always true. That is always true.
मैंने
See,
ऐसा किया ही नहीं मतलब मुझे ऐसे ब्रेन किया उन्होंने आपने कभी गोद से नहीं नीचे
neurokids they do.
no after that I joined
Maybe what happens to the child, you told a small room, right?
yeah
Some children don't like more children. More
See, what happens, children want independence. Children want independence. Children will not agree if somebody who is holding him. Child will not agree. Okay, he can't accept that somebody is ruling him. He wants that independence. What happens, as she told, it's a small room and one teacher. The teacher can't control the children. She's the only one and she doesn't have enough space. So he feels some congested. Why they lock me in this small room? Why teacher is controlling me? Why I'm not able to go out and play? There's so many. The child, no, he can't express. but he is having so many questions in it. That is called social questions of a child. No, that we'll ask, or else we'll keep, this is my name. But the child is not like that. Why are you telling me, Papa, like this? Directly they'll ask, why are you telling me like this? You're also doing, no. My daughter, no, she's in 6th standard. She'll ask my husband, you're telling me to get up early in the morning, but you'll be in the bed. No. You get up and tell me to.
मेरा बेटा भी ऐसे ही है कुछ गलती है मम्मा you tell sorry and you teach me to tell sorry.
Yeah, that's what. See, you say sorry, you say thank you, because your child didn't adjust into that environment. Even maybe how he has grown in your family is totally different from the school where he went. So maybe you are fed up of that environment. When you take him to Eurokids, it is little colorful and he felt that is better. This is better than that. So if I try here again, Mama will take me to some other school, so I'll be happy here. Maybe children will have that tendency. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that is correct. Why did he beat her? Why did he beat him? Let us stop. You'll be with there only, no? Yes, okay. So 1 or 2 times we just make her to do and we send her. Okay. Again the other thing. Why are you beating? The reason. The child should know the reason. Not even out of India. Not even out of India. Here also. There is out of India, as she is telling, the child can go on the complaint against you. See, I'll tell you why do we beat children? Because we can't control our angerness. We can't control our emotions. When you can't control your emotions, you want to show on some other thing. Some will throw utensils in the kitchen. Some will fight on husband, whatever happens. Okay, maybe something has happened in the home. After going to school, you'll blast the children. No? You can't. So, that's why you be calm, and if you beat also, I'm not telling, maybe if you beat, so stop beating. If you beat also, if your child asks, why did you beat? Sorry, I beat. So this is what you did. No, I got angry. This is wrong, no? You just make him that let her accept she has done wrong. Again you ask sorry, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong in asking sorry. Nothing wrong in asking thank you. When you say, automatically children will learn from you. When you don't say, you also didn't say no that day. Why I should say?
Yeah.
What happens, I'll tell you? That ego. When you don't say sorry to anyone, that's going to block your things, okay? The ego will be there when they start growing up. Okay, the ego will also grow along with them. Okay, then they'll start. You know, nowadays, granddaughter kill grandmother for money. Father kill son, son kill father. Because they can't. When they can't say sorry to their own family members, these rivalries, everything will develop. Okay, when you say sorry, your heart will be cool.
Sorry, I think it's just like a mental word. If you just say sorry, now you will suddenly forget everything. And if you will not say sorry,
it will be there in your inside, in your mind, and it's going to kill you. Okay, so as a teacher, we need to change ourselves. First, change yourselves. Okay, as soon you go Monday morning, tomorrow morning, wish first. If they don't wish or whatever, you start wishing them.
How are you at day every day?
No, that's why as you teacher, they'll expect the children to wish first. See, I'm standing here. Nobody wished me. You say good morning, children. What is there in that? No, we are not running any army school. We are not army teachers. Always don't stand along with your gun. Okay, smile. Okay, have patience. Although you are asking me so many questions. If I don't answer, what do you feel? Just think. If you don't answer to your child, the child thinks the same thing about you. At the end of the day, when you come out from your class, 12:30 or 1 o'clock or 2:30, 3 o'clock, you should feel happy. You should be very satisfaction level that yes, I taught something, my children have learned something, I didn't beat anyone, right? All these things. You just think. Okay? Before going to the bed, you just think, what and all you did from the morning, any mistakes you have done along with the child, next day, I should not repeat this. This is how you grow as a teacher. Otherwise, no, because we can't expect more salary and all. So whatever they give, satisfaction will make us happy. Don't expect 50,000 like software engineers. But that satisfaction gives you more happiness and pleasure. If any one parent comes and tells, my son was like this, my daughter was like this, because of which she has changed a lot, man. Every day she remembers you. Maybe your child will go to first, second. Again, those parents will come and talk to you. You feel very proud of yourself. So pat yourself and say, I am doing a good job.
My daughter is here. As if we are going to say naturally. She just came in that school. Now we have changed her school and everything. Now she is not going to go in this school. She always remember the teacher, the environment, everything. It is. Still, she is not affected. Not affected.
Because the teachers will be always.
Yeah. And in previous school also, there was two, three teachers there, but she was affection with only single teacher. But whatever she want to tell, she used to tell to her, not even to me.
Yeah, that's what I told.
Yeah.
Maybe our likings and
Even the teacher was not in her class. She used to tell if somebody beat her, she used to tell to.
because the teacher has patience to listen.
Yeah.
If she says you're not in my class, go.
That's what sometimes I feel like calling Sapna ma'am that my daughter is even remembering you after 6 months also she is learning to remembering.
See, if you remember, that's a blessing for her.
Yeah.
That's it. No, that is how.
So we should be also like that.
Yeah, as a teacher, you should be like that. Try to be like that. Okay? So at the end of the academic year, you should say, yes, ma'am, we have changed. Yes, we need that change in our training program. Okay? As a Montessori, not only this Montessori, always I speak about this also. How to be a good teacher. No, we are not telling teacher, we are the adults. The child has everything in his consciousness. You're just helping the child to come out of that. The child knows. 1, 2, 3, the child knows. What is exactly what is 1, what is 2, just here. All those things, okay? Once we start with our ETL activities, we'll do it, okay? So that this, we are going to end our session, okay? So, next class, 26th we have. We'll start with our ETL presentations. After that, we'll do our sensorial, okay? Yep, thank you. Again, the other one thing, just write 2 pages of Dr. Maria Montessori's life history. Life history and about Montessori method. Whatever you have understood. Okay, refer any.
On today's class, we thought that we have to.
Okay, then we'll start with a presentation. 1 or 2 presentations I'll dictate how to write. I'll help you. Then you can start writing your own presentations. I'll help you out. No, you have to take, purchase this examination sheets will be there, no? Ruled sheets. Take long sheets. Okay. Better if you get single sheets. Not double like this. This is single sheet. Only this, not double this. Single sheet. Okay. Single sheets you get it. Yeah, that is it. Examination sheets, if you ask in the this one, okay, single if you ask, you take 1 bundle. Why I am telling in the sheets, you are going to write the presentation. If any mistake in the presentation, you can rewrite in the other paper and you can keep it there. Just at the end, we are going to make a file. Okay, just single sheets, examination sheets you are going to purchase. How to write the presentation, this class I will tell you. Just sheets only 2 pages like that. You just write about 1 page Dr. Maria Montessori and about Montessori. Whatever it is. No, pages, yeah, you can take. Dr. Maria Montessori you can give and you can write once. Next page you can start with here the Montessori. Got it? This is your Montessori observation. It starts from here. Almost again 15 days you have time. You keep it ready. Again the presentations, when we do, finish it that time only. That day itself go home and write and keep. It will be easy for you. At the end, no need to suffer, ma'am. I didn't write this. Again you show me.
Ma'am, live from Dr. Maria Montessori and the method of Montessori teaching.
Montessori method.
Montessori method.
Which one?
All these
No. These are the areas which we do in Montessori.
What is that? This one you yeah, yesterday. Yesterday you had.